Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 and today I would like to show you how you can enter all text correction options on this device. You need to start by opening device's settings. After that, scroll down. Now you need to click on General section over here. Then scroll down again and tap on Keyword. As you can see, all text correction options are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the sweater next to feature of your choosing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!